Kaamulan Street Dancing is a cultural dance competition held in Malaybalay City. Dancers wear traditional costumes and perform on the streets to celebrate the customs and stories of Bukidnon's 7 indigenous tribes. Come and witness the soul of Bukidnon. The street dancing starts exactly at 5 a.m. Four groups are participating in the competition, each showcasing a unique performance and traditional attire that represent their distinct cultures and traditions. After the street dancing competition, we took a break and roam around the Kaamulan grounds, looking for ways to relax while waiting for the big concert in the evening. Since there was still a lot of free time, we decided to stay in the car to literally reserve some energy for the upcoming concert. Fast forward to the main event.
We honor the vibrant spirit, rich culture, and unity of the indigenous peoples of Bukidnon. Tonight, we don't mark an end, but a celebration of a lasting legacy and pride, but a celebration of togetherness. Mabuhay ang Kaamulan, magpigol ang tanan!
A lot of people were excited to witness the big time concert. Before the main act, several performers took the stage to entertain the crowd.
Ready na ba ang inyong mga cellphone camera?
Yes, nais na makigalang document!
TG Monterde and Kizzy Tandingan are a couple and two of the most popular music artists in the Philippines. Known for their soulful and heartfelt songs, Kizzy gained fame after winning the X Factor Philippines and is celebrated for her powerful vocals, unique sound, and versatility in performing R&B, pop, and even rap. TJ is known for his acoustic and pop ballads. Their love story and musical talents have made them a favorite among many Filipinos. That's a wrap for Kaamulan 2025, a celebration full of culture, color, and unforgettable memories. Thank you for being part of it, and see you in again for the next Kaamulan 2026.